This one's looking for a teeny tiny bit of what we would normally consider stoichiometry. So basically, I want to figure out what's happening by canceling out units effectively. So we're starting out with our given here of 683.5 kilojoules. So I'm going to start by writing out that given 683.5 kilojoules. Now if I look at my other givens, I've got a value here with my delta H of combustion at standard conditions equaling negative 1367 kilojoules per mole. So I don't want to multiply those two numbers. If I did that, I'd end up with kilojoules squared over moles. That just isn't logical. But if I remember that my moles to a -1 means that that's 1 over mole, and if I flip around this equation, I would have 1 mole on top and the negative 1367 kilojoules on the bottom. That would effectively cancel out my kilojoules to get me to moles. But I'm looking for what mass I have involved. I want to know the mass in grams of it, which again, luckily they figured out everything for me. They're just asking me to plug it in. If I multiply this by the molar mass of ethanol, well, that's in grams per mole. So 46.0 grams of ethanol for every 1 mole of ethanol I have. That effectively cancels out the moles that I have. I'd end up with a unit of grams, which is what I'm looking for. So now I just need to get rid of all the extra stuff and see what my number would look like. 683.5 times 46.0 divided by 1367. The answer that has that layout is C. C is the correct answer.